let's go ahead. I don't know who these belong to. Are these yours?
Nah.
Let's just put them in the bag then. I think they're classroom tools, right?
Yeah.
And I'm gonna throw them in this bag right here.
Oh, no.
You want us to put these tools up that's on this back table? Where's Mr. Harrison? Hey, where's Mr. Harrison?
I'm going probably in the classroom. Damn, I can't get this red on.
Oh, that's
See if you can get this red on. I cannot get it on for shit.
you get the red one on?
Yeah. Let's see if I can try blue. I can't get the red one. I'm trying to get done so I can get out of here.
Tools was left on the table back there. You want us to throw them away?
I think I left it like that. I get this red one on for you. I couldn't get it on. I ain't just stop right there. I'm trying to get burned.
That sucker is cold.
Whew.
Do we need to open the thing?
No, keep it close.
Keep it closed.
Yeah, because we don't need our refrigerant coming through. Well, maybe just to get the temps. Gonna hit it. Remember, we're looking at for the VSAT, we're looking at this gray on the red side for the temperature. Between 60 and 70.